Hi everybody, Jay here from JSplainsFood.com with Strawberry S'mores. That's right, y'all want small? Just in time for Independence Day, this fun, sweet, crunchy, juicy, chocolatey, toasty, ooey gooey version of s'mores is just the perfect summer treat. So first, we're going to start by skewering our strawberries and setting them aside on some parchment or wax paper or a, waxed paper plate like this. And next, we're going to melt some marshmallow fluff in the microwave until it is smooth enough to dip our berries into. What is marshmallow fluff, you ask? Let me explain. Marshmallow fluff is a mixture of sugar and egg whites that have been heated and whipped together until they form this airy, fluffy mixture that's just a little bit of heaven. Okay, so once we've melted our fluff, you're going to take a berry. You're going to dip it into the fluff, leaving about 1/8 to maybe a 1/4 inch of red berry showing at the top. Now, at this point, we can go a couple different ways with this. We can roll this sticky, gooey fluff into crushed up graham crackers or clever candy beads, or we can torch them like this. You take your torch and you toast the outside just like a marshmallow over a fire until they're perfectly golden brown and delicious. And once you've rolled the fluffed up berries into something, set them aside for eating or for further dipping into some dark chocolate or that cocoa hazelnut spread that starts with N and is really expensive. Now, for the dipping chocolate, you have a couple different directions you can go. You can buy pre-made melting or dipping chocolate at the store, or you can buy real chocolate and temper it yourself. What's the difference between melting and dipping chocolate versus real chocolate, you say? Let me explain. Real chocolate has cocoa butter in it, whereas the pre-made melting or dipping chocolate has been made with like vegetable oil or shortening or something. The real chocolate with cocoa butter in it has to be heated to a very specific temperature and stirred and worked for some time at that temperature in order for it to come out nice and shiny and have a nice crack to it once it's cooled. And that process it needs its own video, so we're not going to do that today. We're just going to use the pre-made stuff because it's easier and quicker, and we're going to eat these right away. So, dip your cooled toasted fluffy berries into the melty chocolate and set them on the plate or sheet tray to cool. Or you can roll them into some crushed up graham crackers to complete the s'more experience. Now that's a beautiful strawberry s'more. These fun to make, juicy, crunchy, chocolatey, ooey gooey, toasty s'mores berries are sure to be a hit with you and your family or party goers. Give them a try soon. I know you'll love them. Head on over to jsplainsfood.com for the full recipe and ingredient amounts, and come back next week when I'll explain another one to you.